AI image editors are evolving very fast, and recently Nano Banana has got a lot of attention on the internet. Now Nano Banana faces the tough competition by the other image editors in the term of quality and prompt adherence. A new image editor Seedream 4.0 has been released by the ByteDance that become the biggest competitor of the Nano Banana. So should we stick to the Nano Banana or try the other editors? Let's take a quick look on the Seedream 4.0. If we go ahead to their official website, and you can see that they have mentioned their model Seedream 4.0 and share some demo examples. This model generates the AI images in the 4K quality, and with a single reference image you can generate the multiple shots of the same character. Not just a character, it keeps everything consistent. The outfit, character and even environment. So let's test this model by ourselves, and I am first trying to generate the consistent character. I am using this image as a reference and give prompt. He is in a cafe, holding cigar in a hand, glass of wine on a table, looking straight into the camera. Click OK to generate. Alright, it generates the output, and you can see that it perfectly maintains the consistency and follow the prompt correctly. The image look more high quality and cinematic. Here are the two more shots of the same character, and you can see that they look like real camera shots. Next, I change the background of this image. This image is generated from the Seedream 4.0 model. I give prompt to that, turn this environment into a winter setting. Our environment is changed and it looks so real. So Seedream is perfect for the background replacement. Now let's try to change the camera angle of the image. I am using this image as a reference and try to generate the different photography shots. Type the prompt, generate the side view. Click OK to generate. Look, it perfectly made the side shot, and here are the different shots generated from the single image. Next, I replace the object in an image, and if it make the change real and fake. Upload this image and give prompt, replace the pole with the set of rows. Click on generate. You can see that it removes the pole in a hand and it perfectly places the rows in a hand. So you can easily place any object in an image, keeping it original. Let's do another experiment. I am taking the image of this woman, and then I have these glasses. Type the prompt, wear these glasses to the woman and click on generate. Let's see how it turns out. Here is the result. Honestly, she looks more cute with the glasses, and Seedream handled his tasks very well. Here we animate this image in the Veo 3. Finally, we will make the product image from the Seedream. We upload the women and the perfume image and give prompt, she is holding a perfume bottle in a hand, and run it. Let's see the final result. Yes, it perfectly creates the product shot with the exact bottle in a hand. So the question is, where we access the Seedream 4.0 freely? Well, there are many platforms where the Seedream is available paid, but we use the free method to access it. Seedream is available free on the LM Arena in the 2K quality. You can also access it in the 4K quality on the Imagine.art, but here you can use in a very limited. You can use this as a second option. At the last, I say this model beat the Nano Banana in the term of quality and prompt adherence. In the few days you will see it will be first on the AI leaderboard. Both of these models have the same use cases, so go ahead, experiment with this model and create amazing outputs. That's all from me today. See you guys in the next video.